Hello, my name is Dongho Yu. I'm a CEO of NetCube in Korea. The project idea that I'm going to introduce today is a time-critical wireless communication system for industry network, so-called 5G modeling for industry TSN. NetCube is a small startup company in Korea. We have about 15 people. Our key products include a 5G network slicing enabler platform, and also enterprise mobility automation solution. Our main service areas include smart cities with 5G connectivity and smart factories for 5G-based automation network designing and implementation, and smart office with 5G connectivity, of course, and also wireless or other legacy office network access. Our recent R&D projects include mostly sponsored by Korean government. We finished the project called 5G Government Workplace Testbed, sponsored by Ministry of Interior and Safety in Korea. And we also developed a 5G network slicing onboarding system for vertical industry, sponsored by Ministry of Science and ICT. And currently, we are working on a project to implement 3GPP Release 16 compliant 5G core network functions for enhanced network slicing. The main project goal of this proposal is to provide a prototype designing and implementation of the standard-based wireless time-sensitive network system for vertical industry. And we'd like to find a model to integrate 5G standard TSN bridge and industry devices. We also like to show a viable demonstration of the 5G TSN applied manufacturing environment or plant or XR-based industry applications. Why the project is necessary? 5G has been introduced for mainly for vertical industries, not like consumer internet connectivity, like LTE networks. So the network requirement for this 5G is to deliver a deterministic connectivity for industry application. So most critical deterministic factor for industry network is time. By that sense, IEEE has provided ways of time constraint for wired networking by introducing IEEE 158A or 802.1AS. And 3GPP also introduced TSN support functions by 5G system from its release 16. So with this latest industrial effort, time-critical applications will be widely required and will require a practical model where multi-vendors and multi-industries forms an ecosystem. So what's the development of this project? So we will develop a 5G core and access system, a prototype working as a TSN bridge, mainly for private 5G environment. We also like to develop a UE prototype working as a TSN bridge. And we like to prove these developed 5G core access and UE for TSN bridge system to work as a manufacturing system or to work as a XR-based industry applications or automotive system where the time-sensitive network is required. So the expected outcome will be a viable model of a wireless TSN support system for multi-vendor industry devices. So the impact for the market will include currently wired-based manufacturing site can transform to be more flexible wireless environment manufacturing site. This could be manufacturing site or plant or warehouse, or could be the hospital where the remote surgery or wireless surgery system can work with this flexible mobility without compromising time-critical network. So eventually, this development will play as a key role for 5G UR LLC environment. And hopefully, we like to start this project the second half of next year for a duration of 3 years. NetCube will basically leading this project. We are the one who doing the modeling, architecture design, and implementation of 5G core and access for wireless TSN system. And we are working together with VIA, which is a multinational company who will provide a design of the 5G UE and wireless TSN adapter for device side. And we are looking for a partner for this project. We're looking for a partner like a system integrator for manufacturing site who requires a time critical network system. And we also like to work with the device manufacturers who has a industrial level time critical application. And this implementation, this industry can include manufacturing of plant system or medical system or industrial XR system. So I will be working as a project leader, and Mr. Xiong Han will work as a project coordinator. So please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any question or suggestion or any comments on this project. Thank you very much.